Hello, hello, hello. It's Stephanie here from HMO Heaven again, and it's lovely, so lovely to be back with you with this HMO tip, which is, do HMOs really have to be filthy? And we're back with you today with this series of videos which are all the little tips, the little things that have the big impact about how we run our HMO business behind the scenes to make things go smoothly. And I've just come off the phone from a person who's exasperated, there's no other word for it, and she says, do HMOs really have to be filthy? Now, filthy is the word she used, ladies and gentlemen. That's not just dirty, that's beyond dirty. And you know what I'm going to say, don't you? There's no excuse for filthiness. And today we're here to show you how to do it. And I bet you would never have guessed, but the solution is a cleaner. Well, a cleaning company usually, but let's get into this. Let's get into it. We have cleaners going into our properties every fortnight. We have a fantastic local cleaning company, a great team, and they do everything. And they do highlight to us any problems. And those might be big problems, such as fake tan. The fake tan is a huge problem. And they let us know about any fake tan being used and being put on shower curtains, accidentally, incidentally. Hair dye is another one. Any doorknobs coming off, any light bulbs going, any recycling not being put out. So they're really our eyes and ears in the property, and they help us to keep on top of things on a regular basis so nothing gets out of hand. So as well as keeping all the communal areas clean, they test the fire alarms, and they regularly, not every fortnight, but regularly throughout the year, defrost the freezers and clean also the inside of the fridges, because at the end of the day in a house share, who is going to do these things if it's not our team? And we like to keep on top of it so that we have a fantastic place for our tenants to live in. And the other thing I mentioned, do you remember? I mentioned that we only have 12 turnover days a year. So each time somebody's moving out and somebody else is moving in, our cleaners will do a full room clean as well. Even if the room's been left in quite a reasonable condition, they'll go in and do the proper full clean, because nobody's going to be sort of going behind the back of the wardrobe and cleaning the skirting board, getting inside the wardrobe and cleaning it all out, getting inside the bedside table and cleaning all the drawers out fully properly. Most tenants don't do that, so we make sure that that's happening regularly, certainly between all tenancies in all of our rooms. And our cleaners help us do that. So you're probably asking, how much does this cost? You're thinking, I know what these girls are like. But we find it's an exceptional value. Now, you might be able to find cleaners where you are for less. We pay, I have to look here, because Nicky sorts all this out. We pay £15 per hour, and we have fortnightly cleans in all our properties. Our cleans are between 1.5 and 2 hours each property every fortnight. So a typical monthly amount for us per property is £49 to £65 per property per month. So I can see why lots of people maybe say they don't need them, but I challenge you, over a period of 5 years, you're going to see your property go downhill if you don't have a regular cleaner. So you'll need to think of some way to keep your property on track to allow you to be able to rent it out consistently, because otherwise it's going to cost you more than the £49 to £65 per month that you pay for a cleaner. So I encourage you to think about that. Now at check-ins we explain what the cleaners do, and we explain what the cleaners don't do. So the cleaners are not there to do the washing up. Now, if you've enjoyed our HMO tips videos, please give a thumbs up. These scintillating topics, cleaners, guys, come on, that's exciting, isn't it? If you've enjoyed these videos, we've got a whole playlist, HMO tips playlist, so check that out on YouTube. And if you're interested in HMOs and you're an HMO investor or you'd like to get into HMO investing, we'd love to see you in our HMO Heroes Facebook group. So hopefully we'll see you over there, guys. And remember, of course, to please subscribe to our channel. We'd love to have you as part of the family. And that's it for this week. I will see you next time. Bye for now.